had troubles over the last several years with pillows and waking up with my neck hurting and my trapezius muscles and everything, to the point that I wake up, I've got headaches. I have went through, oh gosh, probably 24 different kinds of pillows. I've tried the Casper, I tried the original purple pillow, the Tufted Needle, I mean all the name brand pillows. Spent so much money and they've all went back because none of them have worked. So I was looking online and I saw that Purple actually came out with a new pillow called the Harmony. And I just got it in the mail. This comes in this nice big box. They offer a 100-day sleep guarantee. So that's nice that they have that, you know, because I've had so much trouble not to spend so much on something and it not work out. It was a very expensive pillow, but I have really high hopes for it. I mean, it's light, where the original pillow was like 10 pounds. It was hard to even move. Where this, I mean, it's nice, it's springy. Look at that, dude. So I'm really hopeful for this one. It's got the little hexagons in there that they say help with the movement of it, to where it just bounces right back. This one was the queen size pillow. They said it had a 6-inch loft. And then once you go down, it said it went down to like a 3-ish, I think 3-inch loft on it. So I'm gonna lay down on it here and we will try it out. Move my bed stuff around. Okay. Right, it squeezes down nice. It's got a lot of, I can feel it under my neck as far as the support. And I sleep on my back and on my side. So I can feel a lot of other pillows. It seemed like my neck was going up and it was hurting it, or it didn't have, my puppy, anything on there. Go on my side. I can still feel it under my neck, so it's giving me the support on my side. So I'm looking forward to trying it out tonight. We'll let you know how it goes. I was checking back in on the Purple Harmony pillow. I've had it for 3 nights now. My overall review is I'm pretty impressed with it. The first night I slept on it, I woke up and my neck was a little sore, but not near as bad as it's been. I mean, I woke up a few times kind of tossing and turning, just because pillows I've had have always been really flat and this had a lot more spunk to it. But stick with it, you know, I got 100 days to try it out. The second night I woke up, the second morning I woke up, and it was the first time in I don't know how long that I didn't have pain in the morning. So that is worth every penny that this pillow has. If I can continue on that. This morning was my 3rd night, I guess, from my 3rd night. And it was kind of like the first night. I was a little sore, but still better than what it's been. So I'm definitely going to keep it for as long as it keep working. So I like it. It's good. Hopefully if you guys decide to try it, you like it as well. Hey, I just wanted to come back. I've had this purple pillow for about 1.5 years now, just to give you a long-term review as to what I think of it. Overall, I still really like the pillow. It does have some breakdown over in the corner over here where apparently I sleep more. So I can tell, but you really can't physically see it. And pushing down on it, you can't feel it. But as I'm sleeping, I do know that they've got a little area over here that kind of cradles my head a little bit more. But I am very impressed with the pillow. It has held up better than any other pillow that I've ever owned, and I would definitely buy it again. Like I said, I just wanted to come back and kind of give you an overall what I still think of it, because usually pillows after the first several months or even the first year, my neck is so sore, I hurt, I'm searching for a new pillow. And it has been such a relief to not have to search for a new pillow, because I still like my purple one. So hopefully this gives you guys any sort of guidance to buy one in the future, to know that it does hold up over time. Hope you got something out of the video. If you did, please like and subscribe.